Welcome back. Following the previous implementations, in this video I will start presenting the primitive implementation of a custom, adaptive, and generalized data structure framework. As you can see in the code I'm just showing you, I will dissect and start from the fundamental objects to then extrapolate and use them onto other classes. The first iteration of this module is the trait object or class that we can see here, in which I have defined different attributes in the init method. I have also defined the base bar class that we can just find down below the trait class, that will be then used to serve as a container for many bar or representations, accounting for the ability to have several degrees of freedom there, like the threshold type and parameter value, and at the same time being able to now cast the state of the bar when we want that, taking into account the traits or text that enter the same. This is just to whet your appetite, so be sure to keep attentive for following videos. Until then, you can just have or wrangle with all the necessary code for this sophisticated representation mini-series in the Quant Research Environment repository on the Darwinex GitHub.